This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get C4 in emergency response, Liberty County. First, you'll need to understand the prerequisites, such as your in-game role and any necessary funds. Then, we'll pinpoint the exact locations where C4 can be acquired. After that, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing it. Finally, we'll cover how to use C4 effectively and safely in your gameplay. To get C4, you must be playing on the criminal team. This explosive is primarily used for high-stakes activities like robbing the bank or a bank truck. The main bank is conveniently located near the civilian spawn point on the map. While the tool store offers other useful items like lockpicks for house robberies, C4 for bank robberies is acquired differently. Ensure you have enough in-game cash for the purchase. Once you're on the criminal team and at the bank, you'll need to initiate the robbery. You can do this by shooting out the bank's glass or, for a stealthier approach, using a lockpick on a side door. Inside, search for keypad code, often found on counters or desks. After finding the code, enter it into the keypad to gain access to the vault area. This is where you will plant the C4. After gaining access, plant the C4 on the vault door. It's crucial to move to a safe distance immediately after placing it to avoid damage from the explosion. Once the vault is open, quickly grab as much money as you can. Be aware that tear gas will soon fill the vault, so speed is essential. Finally, escape the area to evade law enforcement and secure your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.